All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. I'm gonna run through this trade recap. If you guys already seen um, the video I did, I just uploaded the whole live trading session, but those are the executions right there. Um, Pretty good trade today, guys. Luckily, got out at the exact time we needed to get out, so I'm super happy with that. And as you can see from there, price literally just dumped down. So coming into the day, I was leaning more bullish just because ES was at all-time highs. NQ was respecting bullish order flow. We had CPI today. Obviously, the CPI candle pumped, put in this data high, put in this data low. So either way, I wanted to see price trade towards one of those. And my idea coming into the day was to see which way we started to trade towards. If we started to trade to the upside and showed displacement bullish, I was going to be looking to trade towards the high. And if we wanted to trade through these gaps here, I was looking to target CPI low and then potentially down. So market opens up, we initially get this manipulation down and we manipulate into this 15-minute bullish fair value gap right here. And at the same time, ES is just continuing to respect out of a 5-minute bullish gap. So regardless, right here, both are in bullish order flow. So we manipulate down off of market open. So market opens up right here. We come down and we end up putting in a bullish SMT. So I actually at this point was leaning, I could see price going either way at this point. If we had a strong displacing close, I was very close to shorting down to CPI low and holding it, letting it run down towards Asia. But then we ended up waking up and we ended up confirming this bullish SMT. So as you can see, NQ puts in a lower low, ES puts in a higher low. So at this point, we get this strong bullish close right here, and I'm saying that okay, this seems like a little too much for this to be a retrace. I highly doubt we go down. I think we run through the highs first before we maybe make a move down later, which is what ended up happening. So, like I said, if we got clear displacement, if we got a strong bearish close right here, I was willing to short down to data low. But as you can see, we just kept putting in wicks and a wick, and then we start to break to the upside. And when we get this bullish close right here at 934, I'm thinking, okay, we're probably not going down. We're probably going to want to make the move up. We clearly have volume bullish. We get a bullish SMT delivering off a 15-minute gap. ES is delivering off a 5-minute bullish gap. So what was I looking for? Just like my continuation model, I'm looking at an inversion play. So I look at the highest time frame inversion, and it's going to be this 3-minute gap. Let me just, because this is all cluttered, let me just kind of go right here. So we have this 3-minute bearish gap and it gets inversed. We close above it with a strong bullish close, nice volume, nice displacement. I take the entry right there. I don't even wait for the retrace. I just take it. My entry was right at 990. I run my stop below the 3-minute candle. My idea is to go break even quick after this high right here, and I want to see price aggressively flush higher towards CPI high. I don't want to see something like this where it comes down and manipulates. I want to see it aggressively flush to the upside with volume. I seen this candle has volume. I want to see it continue with volume. So we actually end up in a bit of drawdown here, and I was actually kind of considering closing this out break even because ES kept respecting this bearish gap, and I was like, okay, does it maybe you want to run down, respect this bearish gap, and then head towards the CPI low? So I was considering really closing out, and then I just patiently waited, and then finally on the next 2-3 minute candle, or on the 1-minute candle, we started to get this push up. We started to reject, we started to hold, and then we got this push up, break even after this candle, and I closed TP. I TP'd fully, literally just a few points shy of the draw just because I've been edged on my TPs a million times, so I learned my lesson from that, and now I TP just shy of the draw, and I got really, really lucky on this. I TP'd like at the body of these, the top of these candles right here. So we ended up catching about a 1.22R trade, which isn't too bad across 6 accounts total. So once again, order flow is bullish on the higher time frame. Market opens up, we dip down into this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. I'm looking for price to respect it and continue higher to the data high, or trade through it and go towards the CPI data low and potentially lower. We get this SMT right here, which is confirming we potentially want to go higher. We get this nice 3-minute inversion right here, which is confirming that we have displacement bullish, volume is bullish. So I enter off of this inversion candle. This was the 933 candle. So I think my entry was at 936, whatever. So anyway, enter off that inversion, getting a little bit of drawdown, getting a little bit worried here because ES is respecting bearish, but luckily volume flips back bullish and we get full TP on that. Again, executions are all in the Discord, everything like that, and I'm done for the day. Initially, I would have tried to look for these shorts after if I didn't take this long, but I'm happy with this, and yeah, it's good for me. So that's it for me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Again, hopefully you guys caught this or caught maybe the move down after, but that's it for me. Again, if you guys want to see the full session, it's literally the last YouTube video on my channel. I'll try to put it at the end of this video or whatever. And again, link for Alpha Futures, pin comment, Discord, pin comment. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.